Now let us learn the consonants. So I said there are 24 consonants. Let us learn the sounds, how to pronounce those consonants. So this is the phonetic symbol. So remember that the phonetic symbol of either a consonant or an vowel will be written between these phrases. Okay, between these two hashes you are supposed to write the phonetic symbol. So here I am giving you the 24 consonant sounds along with the phonetic symbols, and I am saying the initial position where that sound will occur, the middle position where that sound will occur, and the final position. So by this is the method where you can learn easily. And remember, this phonetics will come if you practice the writing and reading them aloud. Unless and until you practice, you will not get this. So one has to be a master in the language, they must learn these phonetics in English. If you want to get a command over the English, if you want to get a good command over the communication skills in English, so you are supposed to learn these phonetics. So better practice them. So let us discuss the first one, that is the phonetic symbol. So pa. So the initial is pen. Pa as in pen. Pa as in apple. Pa. Apple. Pill. Final is cat. Pa as in pen. Pa as in apple. Pa as in cat. So in this way, this is the first symbol called pa. The other one is b. This is ball. B as in ball. B as in ball. B as in ball. B as in cabbage. B as in cabbage. B as in tap. B as in tap. B, cabbage, tap. So the other one is table. T as in table. T as in button. T as in sit. T. Okay. So remember the mouth, how I am using. So next, d as in dough. D as in dough. D as in sudden. D. So these are the underlying words which is similar sound. So d as in pat. D. So in the same, k as in cat. K as in cat. K as in sky. K as in sky. K as in ask. K as in ask. So k as in kite. K as in sky. K as in ask. So practice this. So I am saying the initial, the middle one, and also the final word also. Next, g as in gun. G as in gun. Now g as in eggs. G, eggs, g. G as in back. G as in back. G as in gun. G as in eggs. G as in back. Okay. Next, the other one is ch. The other one is ch. Chair. Ch as in chair. Ch as in chair. The other one is armchair. Chair. Middle. The other one is teach. Teach. Okay? So the other one is J as in jar. J as in jar. J, manage. Even many of them say management. It's not, it's J, manage. Lot. J as in jar. Ja as in manage. Ja as in lot. Next, the other one is fish. F as in fish. F as in fish. F as in spear. Half. F, sphere. Next, V as in van. V as in van. V as in thieves. V as in live. It's V. Okay? Should pronounce it as a V. V as in van. V as in thieves. V as in live. T as in thirsty. T as in thirsty. T as in author. T as in author. T as in thirsty. T as in author. T as in part. T. The other one is tear. There. Tear. As in gather. Gather. Smooth. Okay. Tear. Rather. Smooth. Okay. So these are the phonetic symbols, and this is the initial position, this is the middle position, and these are the final position. So let us learn the some other. The other one is safe, as in safe, as in answer, as in loss, as in loss. Next, zebra, j as in zebra, j as in zebra, j as in zebra, j as in lizard, j as in lizard, j as in buzz, j as in buzz, j as in buzz. Shoe, as in shoe, as in shoe, as in fashion, as in fashion, as in bush, as in bush, as in bush. Pleasure, pleasure, rough, as in hat, as in hat, as in hat, as in hat, as in behalf, help, as in mother, as in mother, as in summer, as in summer, as in summer, as in summer. Now, as in night, and as in night, and as a snake, and snake, sun, sun. Okay, next things, as in things, sing, as in sing, leg, leg, slate, slate, mal, as in small, mal. Next, yeah, as in yellow, yeah, as in yellow, yeah, as in yellow, yeah, as in beyond, yeah, as in beyond, as in rose, as in rose, as in marry, marry girl, W as in verb, W as in verb, W as in swim, swim, swim. Verb as in verb as in swim. So you need to know the variation between these two sounds, verb and verb. So when you are saying this V symbol, you should pronounce it in that way, verb. If you are ordering this W symbol as verb, you should pronounce it a verb. So verb, it's verb. So this is the whole thing about the consonants. 24 consonants. I have said the symbols, initial position, the middle position, and the final position. So there are 24 consonant sounds. You practice them. If you practice these consonant sounds, you will be able to get, and you will be mastering the language. Okay? Let us learn on the vowels now. There are 20 vowels. So before we start this vowel sounds, so let us know something about the vowels. So in English, already earlier I said the English alphabet has 26 letters, in which 5 letters are vowels and the rest are consonants. So these letters, which the vowels and the letters, the combination gives 44 sounds. So already I said no, out of these 44 sounds there are 20 vowel sounds, there are 20 vowel sounds and 24 consonant sounds. We have already discussed on consonant sounds, and I know we will discuss on vowel sounds. 1 or 2 letters represent each of a sound. So out of these 20 vowel sounds, 12 sounds are pure vowels. 12 are pure vowels, and 8 are monophthongs, and the remaining 8 are called, these 4 vowels are also called as monophthongs, and remaining 8 are called diphthongs. The 12 pure vowels are also called as monophthongs, and the rest of the 8 vowels are called diphthongs. Vowels are the sounds produced. When the vocal cords vibrate and air freely passes through the mouth without any obstruction. All the vowels are voiced. Remember that all the vowels are voiced. So these vowel sounds are produced when the vocal cords vibrate. So you can place, when you utter this vowel sound, you can see the vibration. Got it? You can see the vibration, you can feel the vibration by placing the finger there. You can feel the vibration. Okay, now, and in this vocal cords vibration, the air passes freely through it. The air passes freely through it. The mouth without any obstruction. So, ఈ మౌత్ నుంచి ఏ మాత్రం ఏ అడ్డు లేకుండా ఎయిర్ ఫ్రీగా పాస్ అవి ఉచ్చరిస్తాం అన్నమాట. ఆల్ vowels are voiced. So in consonant we have voice and voiceless. So here all vowels are voiced. So different vowel sounds are made by some a variation is the position of the tongue. So different vowels are made. The only variation is that the position of tongue will change. The position of tongue will change. And some by the variation state of lips. So కొన్ని టంగ్ యొక్క పొజిషన్ ద్వారా జరుగుతుంటే కొన్ని లిప్స్ యొక్క పొజిషన్ ద్వారా జరుగుతుంది. So in English there are 20 vowel sounds, 20 vowel sounds, which can be divided into 12 pure vowels. 12 pure vowels are also called as monophthongs and 8 glides or diphthongs. 8 glides or diphthongs. So let us see this monophthongs and diphthongs in detail. So this monophthongs, these are also called as pure vowels because in producing them the position of the tongue doesn't change. You can see, you can observe when monophthongs, these pure vowels are uttered, so the tongue position won't change. It remains stationary from the beginning to end. ఆ పదం కలిగినప్పుడు టంగ్ యొక్క పొజిషను స్టార్టింగ్లో ఏ విధంగా అయితే మనం ఉచ్చరించామో లాస్ట్ ఆ వర్డ్ ఎండ్ అయ్యేంత వరకు కూడా అదే రకంగా ఉంటుంది. సో ఈచ్ సౌండ్ కన్సిస్ట్ ఆఫ్ సింగిల్ వోవెల్ సౌండ్. ఒక్కొక్క సౌండ్ ఒక్కొక్క సింగిల్ వోవెల్ సౌండ్ కింద ఉంటుంది. There is no mixture of any other sounds and the vowel remains pure. So that's why they are called pure vowels. So without any mixture of sound, they remain still stand single. The other one is diphthongs. A diphthong is a combination of two vowel sounds. Diphthongs is the combination of two vowel sounds. రెండు vowel sounds కలిపి చెప్పినప్పుడు that is called a diphthong. When they are made, each one starts. So on the vowel sound then finishes on another. So ఈ రెండు vowel sounds ఉన్నప్పుడు ఒకటి one will start with one vowel sound, the other will end with another vowel sound. One will start with one vowel sound and the other will start with another vowel sound. Whereas in this pure vowel, one only vowel sound that will start with the same finishing end. The tongue moves, glides from one position to another position. Here, when you utter this diphthongs, the tongue position will change from one place to another position. So there are two types. There are two types, centering and closing. These are of two types. One is centering and closing. When the diphthong moves towards the center of the tongue, it is called centering diphthong. When the tongue towards the center, it is called centering diphthong. Whereas when it moves towards closer to the position of the tongue, it is called closing diphthong. So when the tongue positions to the centering is called centering diphthong. When the position of the tongue is closing to its position, is called closing diphthong. If it is a small movement from the initial position, it is called a narrow labial. If it is a large movement, it is called a wide labial. So a position narrow unte kanaka narrow labial and small movement unte kanaka narrow labial and if it is a wide, it is a large movement, it is a wide labial. So during the process of production of vowel, remember that during the process of the production of vowel, the tongue position remains unchanged. These are the factors you should remember in your mind. So during the position of the vowel, the tongue position remains unchanged. It will never change. Okay. So the vowels produced is a diphthong. All the diphthongs, there are 8 diphthongs and 5 monophthongs. There are 8 diphthongs and 5 monophthongs are long. These are long. These remaining changes are sounds. Okay, now let us know the phonetic symbol of these vowel sounds. So let us remember the phonetic. Let us know the phonetic symbols of these vowel sounds. So there are 20 vowel sounds. There are 20 vowel sounds. So let us start with these 20 vowel sounds. The first and the foremost, you can see I have given a phonetic symbol transcription. So the same with the consonants, you write in the middle of two slashes. You are supposed to write this one in the same method. So phonetic symbol is written between two hashes. So in these two hashes you are supposed to write the phonetic symbols. Now in the same position, that's the initial stage. The first one where the symbol will be produced, and the second one is the middle stage where this will be produced in the middle, and the last one is the final stage where the vowel is. So here, so let us see as in up, cup, as in cup, as in up, as in cup, as in up, as in cup. See, you are supposed to practice this. If you until and unless you practice this kind of phonetic symbols and the sounds, you will not get the subject. So practice this. So up, as in cup. Next is a girl, as in a girl, police, Alice, Taylor, as in chill, as in chill, as in as in as in turn, as in turn, as in sir, as in sir, as in on, as in on, caught, as in arm, as in arm, as in harm, as in harm, as in car, as in car, all, as in all, wall, sa, it, as in it, as in hit, as in hit, as in duty, as in it, as in it, as in hit, as in duty, as in duty, as in east, as in east, as in seen, as in seen, as in key, as in key, as in key, as in put, as in put, as in put, as in oops, as in oops, as in choose, as in choose, as in shoe, as in shoe, as in n, as in n, as in n, as in land, as in land. So you need to see the variation also. As in n, as in n, it's as in land, as in land, as in land. So you need to practice this. So again, let us continue these vowels. Next, the other symbol is as in eight, as in edge, as in straight, as in straight, as in straight, as in straight, as in eyes, as in eyes, as in eyes, as in mice, as in mice, as in mine, as in mine, as in mine, as in oil, boil, boil. If you see eight, straight, eight, straight, you can see this eyes, mice, mine, eyes, mice, mine. And next, oil, up, jump, slow. Slow. Ugh, jug, slow. Ugh. Next another one is out. 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 Shout. Out. Shout. Out. How. How. Out. Shout. How. Out. Shout. How. So it's a very pretty, if you practice this kind of words like this, so you'll get the subject also. So you need to, the thing is that you need a lot of practice. So it's a fun activity to learn this kind of things. So next one is the ear, ear, clear, ear. Next one is air, as in air, as in air, as in share, as in share, as in care, as in care. So cure, poor. Okay, so this is about the total vowels. So we have 20 vowels. So there are 12 pure vowels which are called monophthongs and 8 diphthongs. So you can practice them. So thank you. So till now we have completed the first unit. Thank you so much.